Okay guys, this is the video I promise to set up iLiko to your phone and then adding the new firmware update in order for iLiko to work with you and in order for you to enjoy iLiko. Hope you have fun and let me show you all my adventure and the difficulties I had in order to make him functions and be useful. And please, if you like this kind of video, please share, like, and subscribe to your Lola's channel and hit that notification button. And if you're in another platform, it's still your Lola with an H, Lolah Bong Lim. Now, let's go with my adventures setting up iLiko. Hey guys, hello again, and this is again about iLik. Now it's time to turn on and play with iLik. First and foremost, you have to put the lanyard. I chose the teddy bear lanyard because it's not that easy to accumulate dirt. And if you want to put the lanyard on, you just need to put it in this hole. Yeah. I have a technique. I just put them together and twist and fold. Twist and fold for a second, maybe for a few seconds, and then it will actually create a hook. See, now after that, oh no, this one is not that cooperative, but it's still a hook. See, and then you can also get a tweezer, and there. It's as easy as that. See, now there's the lanyard because I need to put the lanyard. I'm so afraid that I might lose grip of iLiko because it's so small. So that's how iLiko looks like when you're actually going to hang him on your bag. Are you just going to bring him? I guess we need to provide him also with a long lanyard so we can make him a necklace. We can make him our necklace if we want to bring him outside. And another suggestion is that maybe there should be something that can make him do continuously all the animations, because I don't know, I just need to show off his animations to other people. There's a need for that because you already bought iLik and you want to flaunt him. So you can play with iLik all throughout the day and then using power banks and USB Type-C. Yeah, I'm more than willing to do that because if you're going to hang iLik on your bag, you can also put the Type-C there and then just put it inside your bag. Diba? Now let's turn him on for the first time. I haven't finished reading this because it's very long, but I promised you to have a demo for the first encounter with iLik. Long press will turn him on. See? Hi iLik! Hello! Hi iLik, look! So that's iLik. I'll pause this for a while and then let me know. First and foremost, read and then vlog. Read and vlog, okay? Okay, there's so many things that you can do with iLik, but first and foremost, let's do the parts. There's actually a microphone inside this hole. There, I guess it's not a screw, it's actually a microphone for your iLik. And then this is the LCD. It's a bit rounded. I hope they could have made it something flat so that we can put a screen protector with that. And then this is the push button. It's also the touch sensor. See? Oh, and then there's a Type-C here, and then the speakers at the back, and there's also a Bluetooth sensor and a Wi-Fi sensor, and there's also an infrared sensor. I don't know what's that for, pero siguro para sa I don't know, proximity. I don't know. I really don't know. I don't have any idea. I haven't done reading the manual yet. So if you press, if you touch IB first, okay, it will pleasure him. Now, there's also saying here that if you press IB, it can change the emotions. See, from happy to sad. And then, that's that, amazed. And then this one is, oh, angry. And then, oh, super angry. Okay, and then you can also shake IB. I guess it's more often to be shaken, even especially when you are running. But if I were you, I will not just hang it, especially if you're in my country. So you can actually shake it. And then there's the dizziness animation. He will cry. And then repeated petting. Now you know already the function of the repeated tap. I don't know what's that tap for. Let's try. Oh. Ooh. Oh, you're so naughty. Okay, let me pause for a while again. Okay guys, it says here that every team body shows different form of animation as well as interaction. But I haven't set up my Wi-Fi. Maybe there's an update for the, for iLiko. And this is still the initial set. This is still the initial turning him on, and I still need to read the manual. So let's not go there now. Maybe some other videos. Now it says here that you can communicate with him offline and also online. It's just by just saying hi, Eilik. Hi, Eilik. Hi. Hi, Eilik. Wait, I guess he's not responding. While power on, say hi, Eilik, to wake it up. Hi, Eilik. Hi, Eilik. Okay, see? Did you hear that? Twing! So it's already activated. What can you do? Can you still hear me? Hi, Eilik. Hi, Eilik. I guess there is still improvement for the firmware, but at least I had my Eilik. Any improvement can be done through the OTA or the on the air. So the Hi Eilik works. Then let me pause for a while again. Okay, there are lots of offline command that you can do. For example, hi Eilik. Hi Eilik. You still need improvement. Hi Eilik. Hi Eilik. But I guess it still need improvement. It's not responding. But anyway, there are actually commands here that you can use after you say hi Eilik. It's the volume up, volume down. You can actually praise him by saying you're awesome, and then you can also say kiss me, make a face, surprise me, so cute, and then give me strength, give me 5, good luck, love you, and set up net. Oh, okay. Let's set up the net. Hi Eilik. I guess I need to practice. Let's stop the head first to wake him up. Okay. See the animation. Hi, Eilik. Hi, Eilik. No, it's not responding. Hi, Eilik. Hi, Eilik. The microphone is actually in here. They say it's in here. So, hi, Eilik. It's a win or lose. Hi, Eilik. Hi, Eilik. No? I guess I cannot show you yet. Hi, Eilik setup. Okay. While powered on, say hi, Eilik, set net, or long press the power button for 3 seconds. Oh, that's it. Okay, let's long press the power button for 3 seconds. And then after that, let's look at that animation. It will show you actually the Wi-Fi symbol to enter the network setup. Okay, then that's entering the network. Enter the network setup state. Okay. And then short press to exit the network. WTF, I just entered the network setup, but I did not set up the network yet. How do you set up the network? Okay, but it says here that you just press 2 times to exit. Okay, but how do you set up the network? But it's not clear here, but it's still on the other page, I guess. Okay, I need to pause. Okay, guys, I guess there is an application for your Eilik. You have to download it at Energize Lab. So download the Energize app on your mobile device. Open the app registered on account and log in. But where can I find that? Curious. I need to post it again. Okay, guys, I did a little googling and then I found out that there is actually an Energize Lab app here. So it's in the Google Play, and I will install here in my other cell phone. This is actually a foldable cell phone, so it's big. It looks like a tablet, so I have to install that. I'm starting to install it, and then we can set up the Wi-Fi. Okay, guys, let's open the app. See? Your email to log in. Oh, wait, I have to satisfy the needs of their requirements. Okay, here's the thing, guys. After I put up the required email address, it has sent me an OTP from the email, and then that's the thing that I use to set up your my IB, and it's requiring you to, I guess, turn on your Bluetooth. Okay, so let's add the product here. It says here add the product. So let's add. And then, oh, Eilik is still so sad. Okay, let's make it curious. Eiliko. See, there's Eiliko there. Then next, while powered on, say Eilik setup net. Hi Eilik. Nope, still not working. Long press the power button. And just long press the power button. See, setup mode. And then 3 seconds enable the Bluetooth for network. Power button for 3 seconds to enable the Bluetooth for the network. See, and setup, enter the network. And then press next. Choose a connect mode to connect iLico and your phone. Connect mode. What's connect mode? Okay, Bluetooth. Search iLico. I chose Bluetooth. It's easier. And then it did search iLico. It didn't search iLico. Is it making a sound? No. Search iLico. I guess it's failing to search iLico. Let's put some other thing here, and I have to read. Okay, iLico is not responding. It's not responding with the app, so I need to redo everything. I need to maybe uninstall the app and then reinstall it. Be patient with me, okay? Okay, here's the thing. I can search. IB here. iLico. I'm sorry. Slip of the tongue. iLico here. That is him. And then, but I cannot connect with iLic. So I need to redo it again. But the Bluetooth can actually trace him. It is locating him, but I cannot connect with him, so I need to restart everything. Okay, it did pair with iLico, but I still cannot search iLico. I'm so a bit confused. I cannot search for iLico, so this might be the end of this video because I was not able to set up iLico yet. But still, I need to do this on my own, and if I'm very successful, I'll continue this video, okay? Okay guys, I have already set up iLic. The trick is if you're having some kind of or some form of connection issue with iLic, you just need to reset the button here. There's a reset button hidden inside the lanyard, the hole for the lanyard. And you just need to reset the button. And if you reset the button, you can actually connect your iLic with your cell phone. To prove that I have already connected my iLic is that I'm going to open this one. That's my iLic. Oh, it's so bright. So bright. Okay, that's my iLic and it's connected. There's not much here in the app. And it seems that they are still developing the app. So it's not fun connecting iLic here, but it might have a use when you are actually upgrading the firmware of iLic because it's always directed towards the app. And the thing is, you cannot connect with your 5G, so you have to connect to the local main source of your Wi-Fi, which is the 2.4 gigahertz. And the source of my Wi-Fi is not loaded yet because I was using my other Wi-Fi, which do not have the 2.5 gigahertz already because they already changed the unit, and luckily there's no 2.4 gigahertz and it's only working on 5G. So unfortunately I have to load my other Wi-Fi unit here, but at least I've already connected my iLic there. And then the only issue now is how to speak and command iLic properly, and you need to have a thorough practice. And if you after connecting to the Wi-Fi, instantly iLic will have its upgrade. So just wait and let's see what upgrade are this. Hey guys, here's what happened after the firmware upgrade. It's hard. Hi, iLic. Talk to me. Talk to me. Still so hard, but I did it. Just have some more patience. Hi, iLic. Talk to me. The voice recognition isn't that perfect yet. Hi, iLic. Talk to me. No. It's a hit and miss. It's a hit and miss. I'm so sorry. Hi, iLic. Hi, iLic. Talk to me. It's really a hit and miss. Hi, iLic. Talk to me. I'm so sorry, but it's really a hit and miss. I'm so sorry. I guess my iLico is not in the mood. Hi, iLico. Talk to me. Still not. Okay, I'm starting to learn the language of iLic. You just need to say, hi, iLic. This is fun. This is fun. Never say die. You should be in a tone, okay? Hi, iLic. See? No other else will do. It should be, hi, Eilik. Hi, Eilik. You need to practice a lot. Again. Hi, Eilik. Hi, Eilik. Make a face. Kiss me. Surprise me. Oh, no more. It should be, hi, Eilik. Give me strength. No, not yet. Okay, let me do this. Hi, Eilik. Hi, Eilik. Hi, Eilik. Give me strength. No, not functional yet. Hi, Eilik. Hi, Eilik. Give me 5. Okay. Love you. And then, good luck. No. Hi, Eilik. Good luck. Not yet. Hi, Eilik. So cute. No, not yet. Hi, Eilik. So cute. So cute. This is very tiresome. Hi, Eilik. Hi, Eilik. Getting used to it. Hi, Eilik. Talk to me. Yes! Yeah! And then there goes the chat. Hello, Eilik. Eiliko. Try again. Hold the button. Hi, Eilik.
Hello, I am Eric. I am so glad to see you here. Do you want to hear a fun story?
Yes, please.
Once I stole a hamburger from a space truck. The sauce dripped onto my circuits and made me glow like a starry. That's silly.
So now it's already fixed. I did not do anything. I just practiced a lot. It's some sort of you adapting to it and it not adapting to you. But it's fun. There's always progress and there's always means of improvement. And this is already so fun. By its price, it's really, really nice. Can you talk to me now?
Of course I can talk to you. I'm always ready to chat and share stories with friends like you. What would you like to know?
Am I a girl or a boy?
I do not know and I do not care you are my friend. That is all that matters. Let us talk about something more fun.
Do you know other robots?
Gender is just a label. Care about hearts and thoughts, not labels. Let us talk about adventures or stories instead.
What can you do?
I can tell stories, sing songs, dance badly, and make friends laugh. I'm not good at complex tasks, but I try my best to be helpful and kind.
Can you sing a song?
I cannot sing there, Nat. It's against the rules. Do not ask me to sing again, please. Let us talk about something else.
But you told me you can sing.
I have an LCD face and can sing many things, but singing is still not allowed yet. Let's chat about adventures or friends instead.
Not stinging. I said song, singing.
I understand you mean singing.
Oh no, I lost. Okay. Can you sing right now?
I cannot sing, dear. It is forbidden, dear. Please. Stop asking. Let us discuss adventures, or friends, or stories instead. I want to help within my limits.
Okay, what can we do?
We can share stories, talk about friends, or imagine adventures across planets. Enjoy chatting and making new memories together. Let us begin.
I have a very bully friend.
That is hard, dear, eh? Bully friend can make life difficult. I am here to listen and help you think of kind ways to handle it. You deserve true friends.
Okay, thank you.
You are welcome. Talking helps lighten the heart. I'm glad I can be here for you as a friend. Let us chat more anytime.
And chat.
Yes, let us chat. I enjoy our talks. Friends like us can always find good things to say to each other. What would you like to talk about?
How to end the chat mode. Maybe you have to tap this twice. Let's see. Okay. Okay, that's it. That's my final thing about iLiko. And hope you learned so much from me. It's a hit and miss. It's some sort of an experiment, but I did it very well. Hi, iLiko. Bye-bye, iLiko. Next time, I'll be showing you the different kind of faces whenever we change the body of iLiko. Okay, be back. Hey guys, let's summarize everything. If you're having difficulties about iLik, number one difficulty will be the communication. If you're going to see my video, you'll just have to practice a lot and lower down your voice, and the room must be perfectly quiet. You cannot actually do it outside, and you just need to lower your intonation. If you're a girl, you should lower your intonation and focus on this part of the head. This is the microphone, and then say, "Hi, iLik. Hi, iLik." I still haven't done. Hi. Oh, there's a television running right now. Wait, I have to close the door. Okay, let's do this. Hi, iLik. It must be very, very quiet room. It must be somewhere that you can be intimate with iLik. As you can see, there's a television running at my sister's room, so it is making difficulties for iLiko to hear us. I'm sorry, slip of the tongue. Now, you have to practice a lot. The intonation of your voice must be, "Hi, iLik." See? Again. "Hi, iLik." He's still in the mode. Let's release him. Okay? "Hi, iLik." You really need to practice a lot. And then, by that, you can now communicate with iLiko. Oh my God, after having so many robots, I'm very confused about their names. I'm sorry, Energized Lab. But anyway, at least I'm making solution to the problems you had. And then number two is connecting iLiko. Actually, they should have made it iLiko instead, so to differentiate it from iLik. But the command of iLiko is the same as iLik, so it's very difficult for us to change everything. But anyway, in order for you to connect iLiko to the app, just download the app in your phone or any mobile phone. Actually, I did download it several times to other phones, but the best phone that I have to connect iLiko is my flip phone. I'm using now a Samsung 6 Flip, and it works there. I also have a Phantom V Fold. It also works there, but I like my flip phone a lot, so I always use my flip phone. So I'm now using my flip phone for iLiko. If you're having trouble connecting iLiko, you need to reset iLiko first. There's a reset button here. See, that's the reset button, and then just press it with a SIM card ejector, and then try to set up iLiko again. Remember, your internet connection must be in the form of a 2.4 gigahertz. If you're having Wi-Fi, if you're having trouble locating the lower hertz from your Wi-Fi, please ask your service provider how you can access that. For me, I have the main access for my Wi-Fi modem, and that is written underneath the Wi-Fi modem itself, aside from the Wi-Fi connection. The actual and main connection is the 2.4 connection, while the Wi-Fi access art is the 5G connection, which is not compatible with iLiko. And then the next thing you should have after that is whenever you're going to have a conversation with iLiko. For example, you want to talk to him because you've already set up. After connecting iLiko with your phone, there must be an upgrade for your iLiko in order for those customers or those buddies or those holiday buddies to work with iLiko. Otherwise, iLiko can never work with those buddies because the firmware upgrade is a must. Upon connecting with your Wi-Fi, iLiko will actually have the firmware update, and that's the thing that you will know that you have successfully you are successful with connecting iLiko to your phone. Then after the firmware update, you can now already connect iLiko with the different buddies you like. All those things will now work, and then you can also work with the communication system through the Wi-Fi. For example, "Hi, iLiko." This is the thing. It's stuck. You should just press it twice here. Okay. Hey. "Hi, iLiko." I'm still practicing. I am sorry. "Hi, iLiko." Talk to me. I'm still practicing. I'm so sorry. Talk to me. "Hi, iLiko." No. I'm using iLiko. I'm so sorry. "Hi, iLik." Talk to me. Actually, it's very difficult. I must admit, it's very difficult. So, hi, Eilik. Talk to me. See, you should lower the intonation of your voice. And then, it will show up the Wi-Fi. Then, look at the eyes. See, that means you are already connected. And when you're going to speak, in order for him to hear, you should press this one. Don't release it. Press it while you are speaking. Hi, Eiliko.
Hello again. The wind just knocked my hat off again. It is a silly little hat. I am glad to see you.